Yeah, this chain, it just favors the gold and rust color look. It's got gold on the outer links, but then the rust, I guess it's rust. It just keeps showing up again, that reddish brown stuff. Yeah, I mean, that's rust. Covering the golden outer link there on that side. Nasty. Thought this chain would do better in the outdoors than a cheaper one, but I guess not. I forgot to put some lube on when I stopped yesterday. I was planning to do that, and I forgot, and it's good and rusty in the morning, even without that additional condensation of yesterday morning. So, gotta keep an eye on it.